Hello everyone, we are asked to integrate x multiplied by e to the power of x squared dx. So we have that integral of x multiplied by e to the power of x squared dx. So at this point, in order for us to integrate this function, we look out for a way to make a simple substitution. So we can have that let u be equal to x squared. This is because when we differentiate u with respect to x, we are going to have 2x, and the x there can cancel out this x here. So we have that du will be equal to 2x dx, and dx is equal to du divided by 2x. So at this point, we will substitute the value of the x here. So we have that this becomes integral of x multiplied by e, and x squared is now equal to u because u is equal to x squared. So we have u multiply, and then the x is du divided by 2x. So we have du divided by 2x. So at this point, x will cancel out x. So we'll be left with integral of e to the power of u multiplied by du divided by 2. Now, since 2 is a constant, this can now be expressed as 1 divided by 2 integral of e to the power of u du. So at this point, we can now integrate this function here. So if we do that, we have that this becomes 1 divided by 2 e to the power of u plus c. But recall that u is equal to x squared. So we have that this is 1 divided by 2 e to the power of x squared plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the function given to us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.